Hey, I'm Anthony Taylor, and it's my bike check. I got in the front, got the animal sway bars, 8-inch rise, 28 width. I got the stolen money grips, which is the bar ends. I got the eclat brake lever with just stock brake cable. I got the stolen center frame, 2010. I got the stolen vortex forks. They suck dick because they're bent, and the dropout is like shit. I don't know if you can see it. And the wheel, I got the stolen revolver wheel. It's sealed with the I don't know, an axle. I got the Odyssey Aitken front tire. I don't know. A lot of people ask me what these lines are. They think the wheel comes like that, but I just got some tape, taped it up, and got the frame. Some iron off. Here I got the Rogue Status seat, pivot seat, in black and white. I got the stolen thermalite pivot post. I don't know what type it is. I got my ghetto ass cranks. Got one stolen crank and one GT crank. That's from I was using my friend's wheel, bidirectional, and was on left-hand drive. And I was riding that right-hand drive cranks, and I stripped the crank, and the pedal wasn't staying in. It was annoying, so I just got these ghetto cranks for now. And I got the Hamilton PC pedals in blue. I like them, but they wear down fast. I got the stolen class ring 25 tooth sprocket. I got my KMC. It's really KMC crazy chain, and I spray painted purple like a lot of the other parts I have. And in the back I just got a normal peg. It's stock. Once again I have a stolen revolver wheel stock. Sucks dick. I got the animal GLH back tire. It's a nice tire, and here I got the Tektro brakes in the back, and I think that's all I got. And this bike stock, it's stolen center, and it sucks dick, so don't get it. Now it's okay. Right now it's about from like it's in between 24 pounds to 27 pounds. I'm not sure, so I don't really care about the weight of my bike, and I don't really weigh it at all. Some good things about this bike is it's pretty light for me. It's strong since it's all chromo. I don't know, I like it. It has a kind of low frame. Some bad things about this bike. This bike's stock. A lot of the parts are bad. Like, I bent the bars and like I threw it, like couldn't land something. I bent the bars like really bad. Back wheel. So this is the second one I have because I have to send it back to stolen and get a new one with the warranty because the hub just broke on me. It failed. So it's really bad back wheel. It's unsealed, so I hate it. The seat comes with it. Like hurts your ass to sit on it. It's like PC and sucks. Fork is bad fork. It bends really easily. I have no clue why, but it just does. So I guess that's it. It's my bike check.